In this video, I will show you the easiest way to make up to $25 in one single minute trading crypto on ByBit. So the first thing you need to do is smash the like button of this video and subscribe to my channel. The second step is to click the link below in the description of my video, because you need to sign up on ByBit, which will be the exchange that we're going to use for trade our crypto. And if you use my specific link, you will be able to claim up to $30,000 bonus. So after you have signed up on ByBit, you will be able to see this dashboard. From here you will place all the orders, you will select the quantity, the amount, you will select if you want to execute the order has market, has limit, but we will see this in another tutorial that I will do in the future, because for this specific strategy we need just to work in the 1 minute chart and execute order at market. So as you can see, this is the 1 minute chart, and we need to add our first indicator, and it's called MACD. It stands also for moving average divergence convergence, and this is the indicator. As you can see, we have this histogram in the middle. Let me make it a little bit bigger. This histogram that indicates us the volume, okay? And these two lines, that the blue line is the moving average line, and the orange line is the trigger, okay? So the orange line basically is the line that will give us the signal for enter in a trade, okay? So it's very easy. We will work only with this indicator, and trust me, you can do it very easily. After you will watch this video, you can immediately jump on the chart and apply this strategy. So how it works exactly? As you can see, these bands follow exactly the chart, okay? As you can see, let's make it more clear. As you can see here, the chart went up and the market and the indicator also is going up. Then here it went down and the indicator also went down. So how we can decide if enter or exit for a position? For example, let me show you, because it's very easy. For example, as you can see here, we have the we can see that the price is going up. In fact, it's followed by the blue line that it's above the orange line, okay? When you see, let me show you, let me make it a little bit bigger. When you see this blue line, okay, that it's about to cross the orange line, means that the trend is changing, okay? Because as you can see, we were going down here we were going down, okay, but then the blue line, it crossed the orange line, and what happened? That it started to go up, okay? And then once again we had another crossing, means that the blue line went below the trigger line, and here is going again down, okay? So these are not for a long-term trade. I mean, you cannot open a trade and leave it for so long. These are very in and out position with a 1 to 1.5 / 1 to 2 risk reward. So when you open a trade, you can't expect like you enter like I don't know, with 10 euro you make 250 euro because it's a long-term trade. No, you will make multiple trades during the day. You will be able to reach an average like now, of course, I'm using more bigger capital, but when I started, I was able to make up to $250 per day. Started only with $50 since I started to use this strategy. So it's very easy, and it's perfect with low budget, but still you have to stick with the plan to respect the indicator, and of course don't leave the trade open for so long, okay? So this is basically how it works. I explain you once again. Let me show you another example in the chart. So as you can see here, it's going a little bit down, we are in this level, and as you can see, the same things, it happened exactly in the indicator. Then the line, the blue line, it crossed above and the market started to change a little bit direction and started to go up until the moment where once again the blue line crossed the orange line. It makes us understand that the event for go in a long position has triggered, and so we enter in our long position. So this is basically how the strategy works. It's very, very easy to do. This is what we're gonna do every single day, also in my trading group that you can join for free. Here we don't sell course, we don't sell paid membership, everything here we offer for free. So you can do on cryptosniperofficial.com. that also for this you will find the link below in my description, and you will be able to complete that 2-step, so only 2-step, nothing difficult, for be able to copy automatically my trade, which means that when I open one trade on my ByBit, you can do exactly the same in yours. So yes, if you want to use this strategy, it's perfect for make up to $25 even in one single minute. I'm not kidding, it's very, very easy to do even if you have a small account, so it's perfect. But also I understand that there are people that who works, who go to school, who goes to university, who have families, so we partnered with ByBit and we can offer this service for free, which means that it's 100% automatically. You just need to sign up on ByBit using the link below in the description of my video, as I showed you before, or clicking here on create account. It will send you on ByBit. You will create your account from here. After you create your account, you will be able to contact me in order to receive the special link for the invitation for join my ByBit profile. Guys, that's it for today. This strategy is very, very easy. Let me know in the comment if you understood. Also, don't forget to join my Telegram channel. Also for this, you will find the link below in my description, or just click here because I post every day trading tips. And yesterday I posted one image that show a lot of almost all the patterns that I use for make a lot of profit in trading, and you will see all here. So don't forget as well to join the my community channel. It's free, absolutely. And once again, I ask you please to subscribe to my YouTube channel and smash the like button of this video, and see you in the next one. Ciao.